Healthy Heart Secrets. Discovering the Secrets to a Better Health. Written by Behnay Books. Narrated by Gary Dickson. Introduction. Heart attacks are one of the most common causes of death in the United States, with the majority of us suffering from a variety of medical conditions and placing a significant amount of additional stress on our hearts as a result of our lack of physical activity and poor eating habits. It is no surprise that many of us are simply ticking time bombs before we can suffer a heart attack ourselves. Mother Nature has worked tirelessly for hundreds of thousands of years to create your heart and the rest of your body, and it is no little feat. Nature has refined your kidneys to the point where they are possibly the most vital organ in your body. You have a huge muscle in your chest that pumps blood throughout your body, delivering oxygen and other important nutrients to all organs and cells. Not only that, but it also provides a mechanism for removing the waste that is generated by the body's normal operations daily. This manual will devote some time to discussing the various components of heart disease and heart attacks and their prevention. You'll discover everything you need to know about heart attacks, including some of the difficulties that can emerge as a result of them and the risk factors that increase your chances of having a heart attack at some point in the future. There are various things you can do to minimize your risk of having a heart attack. Still, the good news is that you should start doing them as soon as possible after learning about them. This book aims to introduce you to some of the things that you can do to keep your heart healthy and feel better in no time. Everyone wants to ensure that they have a healthy heart and live a long and productive life. When you are ready to discover how to prevent heart attacks and feel as good as possible, make sure that you read this guidebook and understand the steps that you should do to see results and maintain your heart in good condition eventually. Chapter 1. What is a heart attack? A heart attack happens when there is death or necrosis of a segment of the heart muscle due to a lack of blood supply to that segment. The blood supply to the heart muscle is frequently cut off due to a blood clot blocking a coronary artery. This artery supplies blood to the heart muscle. This disorder is sometimes referred to as coronary thrombosis or coronary thrombosis. When this occurs, the patient will have uncomfortable symptoms such as chest discomfort and electrical instability of the myocardial tissues, among other things. Heart disease is a fairly broad phrase used to describe a wide range of problems and diseases that can impact the function of your heart and how well it works. One of the most prevalent causes is oxygen deprivation, which is usually the result of a blockage in the arteries that
Sample complete. Ready to continue?